Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In this quick video, I will show you how to download and install the Zalora app on your mobile phone step by step. First, open the Play Store on Android or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right. Navigate to the search engine and type Zalora. Now look for the official app with the black and white Zalora logo. Tap Install on Android or Get on iPhone. And wait a few seconds for the download to complete. Once installed, tap Open. You can now sign in, create an account, or start browsing fashion deals right away. And that's it. You have successfully installed the Zalora shopping app. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below what app you want a tutorial on next. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.